How to reset Duolingo password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Duolingo password. So let us begin. First of all, open up your Duolingo. After you open it up, you'll need to go to the bottom right corner on the three dots. There you'll get two options. One is feed, the other is profile. Tap on profile. Now, after you're on your profile, go on the top right corner and go to settings. Now under settings, you will see profile. Under the account section, tap on profile. Now here you will see your name, your username, your password, and your email address. Now tap on your password, and after you do that, you will be able to type in your old password there. Type in your old password and then type in your new password and retype the new password to confirm your new password. After you do so, simply tap on save and you will be able to just reset your Duolingo password. Now if you don't know your old password, what you'll need to do is simply log out of this account here, and then when you try to log in again, just go through the forgot password process and you'll get the verification code on your email and you'll be able to reset it from there. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you reset Duolingo password. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.